Snickers the Seagull is the cheekiest bird by the Lighthouse, known for his hilarious antics. Every morning, he swoops down for a breakfast adventure, hilariously snatching crumbs from tourists in eccentric aerial dances. Not stopping there, Snickers playfully pecks at the lighthouse light, startling himself with the abrupt beam. His day doesn't end without a comical showdown with a stubborn crab, showcasing his befuddlement and cheeky charm. Through these outrageous antics, Snickers brings joy and laughter, creating unforgettable lighthouse memories for all.